So welcome back to another video. Saktong-sakto, meron tayong bagong client na kakarating lang. So kakabili lang niya ng brand new Maserati Grecale and they're bringing it in for Magnus Propane Protection Film. So saktong-sakto yung timing. I think this is the first time that you guys will ever see us interact with a real client coming in and bringing his car. And so pakilala ko kayo. Hi brother! Nice to finally meet you. And so this is Xavier. Kakabili lang niya na itong Maserati Grecale, and we're going to be wrapping it in Magnus Propane Protection Film. So, si Boss Xavier nanggaling pa sa Tarlac pala. Binyahe mo pa talaga all the way to Quezon City and medyo bumabagyo. Actually, dapat 2 days ago pa kami magkikita kaso, you know, the weather has been really bad eh. Alright, so anong gagawin natin dito sa Maserati nyo? Let's take a look at the other side. So ano tayo, no? We'll be installing Magnus Propane Protection Film sa buong car. Lalagyan din natin ng windshield protection film kasi madalas kayo nasa highway eh. So lagyan din natin para hindi siya ma-rock chips. Okay? And then sa inside, tignan natin kung ano yung mga lalagyan natin ng mga film. Okay? So definitely yung screen, lalagyan natin to ng protection film din. Etong mga to matte kasi siya na textured, so hindi natin siya malalagyan. So yung screen lang, sa steering wheel mo. Yan, pwede natin lagyan yan. So yung mga dito sa gilid. Yan, pati sa bubong. Yes, tama. So lahat ng mga glossy parts lalagyan natin kasi para hindi siya magasgas kaagad. Lalo na black pa. Kitang-kita mo kapag nagasgas eh. Tapos dinadagdagan din namin itong part na to. Nilagyan din namin siya ng film. Kasi kung wala yan, 'di ba sa mga sapatos, ganyan, baka magasgas siya. Oh, so we'll protect that as well. Para wala na kayong iisipin pa. So sa likod ganun din. Ito lalagyan natin, and then ito rin lalagyan natin to para iwas tayo sa gasgas.
Gaano siya katagal dito?
It's gonna take around 1 week lang naman.
Ay, 1 week
So by next week, around the same time, siguro okay na tayo.
Okay.
Kasi mukhang bagong-bago pa naman tong kotse nyo eh.
Yes.
Actually gusto, bago ko sana talagang galawin yan, yung type ng gusto mo talaga mapa-PPF muna talaga.
Yes. Kasi you'll never know kung kailan katatamaan ng bato or gasgas.
Actually mind yun, nung unang, yung sa lahat namin, unang labas, hindi lumabas siya, ginamit namin sa Baguio.
Oo.
Unang gamit pa lang, tinamaan agad ng bato.
Tapos kailangan mo na touch up pa ng pintura or ipa-repaint. So at least wala pa kahit ang tama. Sige. So first step natin dito, we'll do a full checklist. So meron akong team, mechanic and detailing team namin. Checklist natin yung buong car para makita natin kung may magasgas, may mga kailangan kami i-repair. Pero from the looks fit, mukhang wala naman and sana wala talaga. Pero we'll send you pictures also and then nalagay natin siya dun sa checklist natin, lahat na makikita namin. Okay, so para dito, lahat ng parts na glossy, headlights, side mirrors, buong kotse, hanggang bubong, pati yung buong front mo, even the grill part, talagyan natin ng protection film yan. So talagang we'll really try to protect lahat ng makikita namin dito sa kotse. So para rin makita niyo how we do it, pwede ko pakita sa iyo itong Land Cruiser na natapos na namin.
Natapos na?
Oo, para at least may idea kayo kung paano natin siya gagawin, ano yung system natin on how to protect your car. So ito kasi nilagyan din namin siya ng paint protection film and
Ito
ready for release na rin siya. Oo. So, so you can see, parang you can see anything, di ba? Parang
Parang wala
walang
siyang
film.
yes.
Parang walang film. So ganoon, kahit yung mga kantuhan natin, as you can see, balot talaga siya ng mabuti.
Oo nga.
Then dito sa kabilang side, pati yung ito lahat ng grill nito, nakabalot din yan.
Lahat kahit dito nakabalot din.
Nakabalot din, pati yung emblem, headlights, itong mga corners, lahat talaga. As you can see, pulidong-pulido talaga tayo gumawa. Ito naman, change color namin. So ito actually brand new car to. Yung previous car niya, pinagawa niya sa amin mga 6 years ago. And then nung bumili siya ng bagong car, same color pinagawa niya, pero different car naman.
So anong original color niyan? Same color din?
White ata.
Talaga?
As far as I remember, white yung original color niya. Tapos ginawa namin siyang midnight metallic green. Ganda, no? Kakaiba yung kulay niya. May isang Maserati, pakita ko sa'yo. So, ito yung Maserati MC20. So, ito galing lang din sa kasa. Kakarating lang din niya, I think, 2 days ago. So, ngayon tinatapos na lang namin yung detailing niya. We're making sure na walang mga kahit anong swirls and scratches dun sa paint, which we'll do to your car also, syempre. PPF din lalagay natin. So, lahat ng kinuha nyo dun sa Maserati nyo, ganun din gagawin namin.
Kapag na-PPF na yung unit namin, kapag ika-car wash namin siya, kailangan pa bang sabunin yun? O hindi?
Actually, with the PPF kasi, since hydrophobic siya, mas mabilis nang hindi sabunin. Pero sa mga car wash, sinasabot talaga yun. Okay lang naman yun.
Okay lang yun.
Just make sure na pupunta kayo dun sa car wash na maayos. Talagang gumawa. Kung may foaming cannon siya, Mas maganda yun para at least iaangat niya kagad yun doon may bago nilang punasan. Kasi yun yung
Actually ako
nagka-create ng
medyo
gasgas
mabusisi ako sa ganyan kasi sa car wash eh. Gusto ko ako nagka-car wash eh.
Ayun. Tuturuan kita kung paano yung hindi magagasgas yung car
Sige.
mo. Pero maganda naman sa PPF natin, syempre, self-healing siya. So, kumbaga, di ba, minsan pag pinupunas mo ganyan, doon nagkakaroon ng swirls.
Swirls ah.
Oh, so sa'yo, kung yari may swirls tayo, pag nainitan siya, nawawala rin naman yung gasgas. So, yun yung maganda doon sa self-healing na PPF natin. So, ito nung dumating dito, kahit brand new siya, may mga konting gasgas eh.
Meron din
Hindi mo
talaga.
talaga siya
Oo,
maiwasan.
totoo
eh.
yan.
Oo,
Kahit
pero
galing kasa talaga yan.
ganda talaga ng kotse na ito, na sobrang good. Tsaka yung doors na, no? Pag nag-o-open, buksan natin yung pinto na ito.
Oh.
Parang butterfly doors siya.
Correct.
No? Ang ganda, no?
Oo, ganda.
So
Baka ito na next na kukunin nyo.
Actually, in-enjoy pa namin yun eh.
Oo.
Actually, masarap na. Na-try ko na siya gamitin, pero hindi yung GT, yung base model lang yung na-try ko.
Oh, okay.
Masarap siya gamitin. Masarap siya gamitin.
Actually, I'm do fond of watching your YouTube videos eh. Kaya, totoo.
Salamat.
Totoo,
Wala,
kasi-
lalabas ka na dito, mag-hi ka na dun sa mga viewers natin.
Ayun tayo.
Hi! Sisit!
Yeah, this is it. Saan nyo pala kami nalaman? Sa YouTube ba?
Yeah, Facebook, YouTube.
Sa
Pero
Facebook,
dati ko
YouTube.
na napapanood yung YouTube tsaka
Ah.
Facebook. Then until such time na ni-refer ni Chip.
From Maserati.
Yeah, from Maserati.
Ah, ah.
Then lalo akong pinanood na siya.
Lagi pag
Ayun.
pumupunta kami doon, lagi niya, kailan niyo ipapa-PPF to? Ganon.
Nabisa ko
pumunta
yung
kami sa
sa
showroom.
yung kay Derek Ramsey na to. Grabe.
Yes, yung 918
Sobra,
niya.
sobra.
Actually, tatanggalin na namin yung wrap na yun kasi magpapalit na kami ng bagong color. Pero secret muna ako ng color yun. But yeah, Derek wants to change the look na kasi more than 1 year na rin yun eh. So, baga,
Yeah.
new look na naman yung gagawin namin doon. Hindi lang naman high-end yung ginagawa namin ng cars na kahit na daily car, kung syempre kung gusto mong protection na natin, kayang-kaya rin natin gawin yun. Kasi syempre kahit daily car, nagagasgas pa rin.
Oo naman.
Ayaw mo pa rin naman siyang masira yung
Oo,
paint, diba?
oo.
So yun, so we can protect that as well.
Kaya
Nakakailang,
sabi
diba?
ko nga sa kanya, dapat yung gusto ko nung bagong-bago pa lang, pina-PPF na natin yan. Para
Dapat.
Pero okay lang, di ba?
Okay lang, para meron kaming gagawin, di ba?
Yeah.
Didetail mo na namin, ganyan. Kasi karamihan ng mga nagsasabi nun, hindi, ginamit ko muna para makita ko yung skill nyo talaga, kung malilinis nyo talaga. But yeah, at least yung sa'yo, alagang-alaga pa, parang wala naman siya naging damage masyado.
Sobra.
Sige, so we'll do the checklist, we'll create the list, and update namin kayo.
Okay.
Alright, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll see you
Finally.
in 1 week. Finally
Yeah.
na, finally. Right, so naiwan na ni Xavier yung kanyang brand new Maserati Grecale GT. And yan, so we're cleaning it now, preparing it for checklist. And tour ko lang kayo on the other cars that we have here at Second Skin Industries. So ito, we have an LC300. We're doing a full pearl white wrap on this car. So yung pearl white natin, as you can see, very similar siya dun sa original paint. Kasi nakuha niya to, it was black. And then gusto niya maging white, so we are making it white right now. And then another one there, yung kaninang pinakita ko, it's a originally white na, pinipf natin. And over here we have a Rolls-Royce Ghost. So tinanggalan namin yung old wrap niya, as you can see. Hindi ko alam kung saan nila pinarap to, pero very funky yung color niya. Meron siyang metallic na flakes. Pero come closer, tignan mo to. So ito yung mga ginagawa ng ibang shops. So, nagbabubble-bubble na siya. And so that's a no-no here in Second Skin Industry. So we're removing the entire wrap on the car. And we are going to be detailing it. And then we are going to be installing Magnus Pro Paint Protection Film on this car as well. So, ang ganda niya, it's color gray. Two-tone siya, gray and silver. Over here, itong kotse nakakatawa. So, this is from a good client of ours. So, nakilala lang niya kami sa YouTube din. And he actually lives in the US. And minsan, bumabalik siya Pilipinas. So, gusto niya gumawa ng Philippine car niya, which is this Everest. So, brand new pa lang, diniretso niya dito. We installed Magnus Pro Matte Paint Protection Film. And then, after nun, dinala niya kay Autobot to create this really wild rig. So naglift siya, palit siya ng rims, installed all the accessories. Wild. So ito na yung pinaka-wild na Everest na ginawa namin. And as you can see, naka-steel bumper pa siya. He added all the bells and whistles. Tapos naglagay rin kami ng custom decals. And yun, so right now he's in the States lang, pero he's gonna be back soon. Iniwan lang niya yung car niya sa amin for some maintenance. I think ginawa namin to sometime last year. And yun, so as you can see, the car still looks great. PPF did its job in protecting the car, and so far naman super happy siya. So that's good to hear. Yeah, so kanina I mentioned about this car. This is my ultimate favorite color. So this is a brand new Volvo. XC60, I think. And then we wrapped it in Innositec Midnight Green. And ito naman, so this is a Z4, BMW Z4 that we wrapped in Innositec Turquoise Dream. So nagkaroon lang ng konting damage yung bumper niya sa harap. So we removed it, stripped it down, and then we are going to be reinstalling the same film para mukha siya ulit bago. Then here we have a brand new BMW M2. Again, sobrang mabenta ng kotse na to. We've done a lot of these cars already. And something different about this car, if you look at the roof, it's actually carbon fiber. Pero this is not real carbon fiber. It's actually Magnus Pro carbon fiber PPF. So PPF siya pero mukha siyang carbon fiber. Kaya nakakatuwa tingnan, di ba? So it made the car look a lot sportier than what it is. And of course, we have here a very nice Porsche 993 Turbo. So we restored the car, detailed it to perfection, and then we installed Magnus Pro paint protection film also. So this is, I think, 5th or 6th car na ni client sa amin. Looks great, looks brand new. I think this is ready for release already. And ito, we have naman a Mercedes S-Class. So ito, this is very old na. It's a 2016 S-Class. And as you can see, nakatanggal yung bumper kasi sobrang dami niyang rock chips and damages. We had to have it repainted. But yung sa hood niya, we were able to do proper touch-up and all the other body panels. And yun, we're almost done detailing the car pa lang. So inantay lang namin bumper before we start applying Magnus Pro paint protection film on the car as well. So for those asking, no, your car does not need to be brand new for you to apply paint protection film on your car. So kahit luma na siya, may dent na siya, may scratch na siya, we can still bring your paint back to life, either with detailing, paint correction, and of course, kung hindi na talaga kaya, that's when we start repainting the panel. And then we apply Magnus Pro paint protection film. Maserati, by the way, this is not just any other MC20. This is the limited edition, the Cielo. And it's also convertible. As you can see, naka-panoramic roof siya dito. And yun na nga, convertible siya. So this is a limited edition Maserati Wild. Next, we have this very, very beautiful GT3. So from the last time that we had a video, kakapasok lang niya and it was wrapped by a different shop. So we stripped out everything. We replaced all the PPF with Magnus Pro paint protection film. And as you can see, medyo naging lighter yung color niya kasi the film was really yellowing already. And we're almost done. We're going to be releasing this very soon. And yung owner niya is a very interesting guy. Papakilala ko sa'yo once he gets his car. And of course, we have an e-tron. This is the new Audi Q6 e-tron. Very futuristic looking. I really like what they did with the headlights here. Ganda lang niya. So ito, we did Magnus Pro paint protection film on the whole car as well. And pati na rin itong Lexus. So this is another car that's not brand new. So medyo used na siya and medyo marami na kaming ginawang touch up. We're finishing it up na lang and siguro in 1 or 2 days ready for release na. And here we have a very nice GR Yaris. So ito sagad. One of the most sagad GR Yaris that I've seen. So you can see yung hood niya, pinalitan na rin niya. It's got this carbon fiber intake duct here or something. Basta ang ganda niya. Looks very sporty and made it look angrier. And currently installing paint protection film on it. And last but not least, ito. This is a brand new Porsche 992 Turbo 50. So it's the 50th anniversary special. A normal Turbo S would cost around 26 to 27 million. This is around 35 million because it's limited. There's only 1,900 something units worldwide. Sorry, this is the second one that we're doing right now. And it's in a very nice, I think they call it Arctic Gray color. So we're finishing it up na lang. We're installing matte paint protection film on the letters niya na may nakalagay Turbo 50. And then soon it will be released na. So what I like about this, tignan mo naman yung crest niya. It's very different. It's just black and silver. Different from the usual, you know, Porsche crest that we have. And of course, marami rin siyang nakakatuwang parts which we'll show you through the B-rolls na lang. If you look at the interior, it has a very unique pattern. Hindi siya yung typical interior na nakikita natin in the turbos. And last but not least, remember this car. This is the bulletproof Ferrari F8. So we already replaced the front bumper with Magnus Pro paint protection film. So pagtanggal namin ng film, may content damage siya. We had to do alignment. We had to repaint some we had to repaint some parts. So the PPF did not really do the best job because probably it was a thinner film. Di niya na-protect yung damage. But we were able to make it look brand new again. And of course, nalagyan natin siya ng Magnus Pro paint protection film. Yeah, I think that's about it for today's video and we'll see you soon.